In forest twilight, a single lichen patch reveals a centuries-old partnership between fungi and photosynthetic partners, turning sunlight into sustenance. This quiet alliance keeps rocks weatherable and ecosystems alive, as fungi trade minerals and water while the algae share sugars. A second tale follows mycorrhizal networks that stitch forests together, letting tree roots exchange carbon and nutrients through underground highways. Humans mimic this by sharing resources in communities, recognizing that cooperation multiplies resilience in lean times. Across deserts, fungi and plants script a symphony of survival, a reminder that collaboration often outlasts rivalry.